My favourite bit of the new CX app has just got better, and I was well pleased with it to begin with. Even at the stage of this thing missing out before, I even contemplated upgrading to small fleet just to get this one thing. So anyway, if you don't know about it, I'm going to tell you about it, and then I'm going to show the people that do know about it. Have you noticed the extra little bit that's lovely? So I've got the screen recorder going on the phone. So what we do is we click on the CX app here, and we go to home. So there's your home screen. Now you can do all the various bits down the bottom. You've got alerts and quotes and bookings and all that kind of stuff, and then the smart page. It's all been redesigned. It's all a lot nicer. But my favourite bit is on this home screen. So you see down at the bottom, you click on that little sort of housey thing, and then you go to search. And this means that I can now search easily for jobs in a different location. So what I would tend to do, we're coming back to it, so you go back on the screen again, go to home, go to the bottom. This is alerts. That's the little bell. That shows me what's coming out of the area. So I'm going to have a look, and I'm going to see what's coming out of the local area. So I'll get something like now. If I've got something in the morning, I'll get something locally. So say, for example, we picked up Buckingham and Redditch. So I'll ring them. I've got that one. And now the next thing I'll do is I'll start looking for something coming out of Redditch. So I'm thinking, well, I'm picking up in Buckingham at 9 o'clock in the morning, loaded by 10, couple of hours of Redditch, loaded by 12. I'm now going to start for looking for jobs coming out of Redditch the next day. So what you do, you go on home, you click on search there, and then you will go select location, yeah, and then type in Bosch, okay, and then you go Redditch, lovely. And it'll come up with a thing, Redditch, and then we go down, we go, well, I can do 7.5 ton, yeah, lovely, and then you will go tomorrow, yeah, and then you go search, and it shows you what's coming out of Redditch, as it is. There you go, Wolverhampton and Watford. No, it's too late. You want to later click up, but you might not find something, and then you will go, well, I haven't found anything, but I just want to see what's coming out of my local area tomorrow. So you go to alert. And then you go, just go back to go and have a look what's coming out of Redditch the next morning. You have to type it all in again. You've got to go, okay, Redditch, see what I mean? Redditch. And then you go down, your 7.5 ton, that's been recorded. And then from today, you click tomorrow. And that will show you what's coming out tomorrow. But this new thing's appeared, brilliant. So you go down the bottom, make these my default features. How lovely. So go, yeah, I'm going to do that. So you click on that, search. These are my default features. You can have a look at them. But it now means that if I suddenly decide to go, oh, I'm just going to see what's coming out locally for the morning, or I'll just check which quotes I've got going on at the morning, or I'll just see what my bookings are doing. And you go back to home, and you want to check, rather than having to type everything all in again, it's all there. Redditch, 7.5 ton, tomorrow morning, all you got to do, scroll to the bottom, click search, and you're back in on it. Brilliant. I mean, certain things I still would like to see. I still would like to see on the search bar here, you got to search, and it says dates. You can search from today, tomorrow, anytime, today, next 10 days. What I would love to see on that, if you're listening out there at the CX, is when it's a Friday, Monday. Because if it's a Friday, I can either look for today, that's Friday, tomorrow, that's Saturday, not a lot of cop to me, today and the next 10 days, what's that? That's any time. Replace today and the next 10 days with Monday, which means on a Friday, and I've got halfway through my week, I'm looking for jobs for Monday, a nice little Monday tab, that with him. But having said that, make these my default features, brilliant, lovely, and just helping life, easing life along, making it easier to take care and take money.